Hey, hi, I'm Chris. This is my R32 Skyline drift missile build. So far I've done coilovers, wheels, adjustable camber arms, rack spacers, strut bars, blocked off my blow-off valve so it does some Sutu, pigeon action, some blast pipes I made, and today we're going to be doing sub and head unit. This is a drift missile build series. We've started halfway because we're slack. Still got to chuck in a welded diff, got a rear high cast lock bar, still got my boosty and turbo gauge to install, and then eventually we'll end up doing a lot more to it, but at first it's extremely basic build, just getting it to where we want it. Plans are to go to Queensland Raceway eventually. We'll see if that actually happens, but yeah, I've heard some stories about fifth gear entries, and one day I'll be able to do that. Anyway, we'll see. Let's fucking get to it. Hey, what are you doing? Oh no.
Well, we're going to be installing a head deck today. So first thing we need is wire cutters, which conveniently are right here. Now we need electrical tape. For some reason they're here. And the last thing we need is a head deck. Conveniently put in the tree. First, we have to take the black trimming off so we can take out the head deck and replace it. So we took off the black trim and now we have a head deck. And I have no idea how to take it out. Oh yes, I do. Okay, don't throw it, okay.
Biggie Smiles is in here, man.
Now we'll be doing is to cut these wires and match them up to the colours. So hopefully it can all work. So this is your ground wire.
Yep.
This is your battery. This is your power. And all the other wires are for speakers. And it's the exact same for these wires as well. So what we'll be doing is cutting them off and then attaching them to the head deck. That's basically it. You got that, Taylor? Okay, we're using the wire cutters to cut the wire.
Let's give it a good cut. Oh!
Ooh. Nice!
I'm so fancy, like Iggy Azalea.
Okay, well the next step, Taylor.
Oh, do I have to strip the wires down?
Is to strip the wire.
Alright.
Good one!
Yay! Me zoom all of them.
There we go. So the black one goes to the black one.
And tie it around.
Goes twisted around each other.
Cool.
And then we get the electrical tape. And
Look at your stuff. What's wrong?
stuck in the pool, no! And voila! Done.
Amazing. It's like the work of God.
Hey, Noah! Oh, you're wet.
Okay.
And then you just need to repeat the process with the other wires.
I got my 3 main ones out of the way first.
Since we got all the power wires all connected now, we can turn on the car and check if it's working. We switched to the GoPro because John's camera died. RIP camera. But we finished installing all the wires for the power. Now the head deck's working. All we have to do now is do the speaker wiring and then put it back together. Finish installing it. So yeah, hooray. Hooray! We finished the wires! Plug them in, Taylor.
I will plug them in. It's in.
Hooray!
Is it in? Is it going to turn on? That's the. Did I put it on wrong? I probably put it on wrong.
No, I haven't put in the keys.
Okay, cool.
That's the keys.
Wrong button.
Oh shit!
Oh, yay! It works. Oh, do you want to try the speakers? Oh,
Where's the antenna?
big black one. And you plug it into here, Taylor. Sorry. I can't reach. Yeah.
Okay. How do I put on an actual channel? How does this even work? Seek.
What type of situation you in?
There you go, it works. That's a sigh of relief. I'm not as shit as I thought I was.
So we just got all the wires for the sub. I'll teach Georgie how to do a sub install. This red one is your power, black one is your ground, blue ones
are your RCAs. So these ones go to your head unit. Then our trigger wire is inside the car. The trigger wire tells the amp when to turn on. Yeah. And all this goes into this here. Okay, so Georgie's got the RCAs and all the other wires installed. Good job. So now she's just installed them into the amp. So now we're just gonna have to run them all throughout the car, and hopefully it works. Well, Georgie just did the ground. We're done in the boot, so now we're going to run all the wires through and get them all installed. After a stressful half an hour, we finally got the power cable connected. Georgie's a bit mad, but we're going to finish it. Nearly done. Alright, so Georgie got the RCAs and the trigger put in. So now we're going to start her up.
Get the keys?
I asked you for the keys.
She's down here. So we'll see if it turns up. Oh boy. Radio. How did Taylor do it?
S is this button. What the hell is that?
Let's see if the sub's working. Oh boy. That country bass.
What about these ones? We don't need them. Good stuff, good stuff.
Yeah, that's how you do a sub install. Good job, Georgie.
And that head unit cost me $10, and I think this cost me $60, so $70. Plus the help of Johnny Boy and George. Yeah, back! Oh, this one coming out.
Because that's installed all the way through the car.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I've actually hidden it all. Can you even find your wires, boy? Oh. So we've got it completely all together. Not the cleanest looking job, but this isn't the cleanest car, so that's right. So what do you think, Chris?
Good.
So what's expected next for your viewers?
I'm probably boosting and turbo gauge next. And what else we got? The high cast stockpile with the readjustable camber arms. But I also want to do the lower control arm extensions. So just cut the lower control arms and put the tabs in. That's like a nice way, because I put the front adjustable camber arms on, but you don't really get much camber from it, because it's literally like, yeah. Anyway, that's next, hopefully.
Alright. Do you want to do the screen tap thingy?